dragging us to the bed again.
No, that is nothing but your mobile number.
That's universal mom problem. It gets correct mom.
If whether I'm suitable for that or what, and you have that low confidence or even you have a pressure from parents or it will be a compulsion, like we want to get a job, but we will decide, will be like, should we need a job or should we go this way? So it's like a peer pressure to get a job and get a job.
You get every 10-second updates of what another person is doing. So our group basically wants to work on how we as the teenagers of today can deal with it.
How you want a participant to do it or continue tomorrow. That is one. One more thing is having a proper mentorship.